Hey folks, welcome back. Chapter 8, Step 3, Adding Menu Buttons. Let's go to our editor. We're working with a library page, so we're going to preview a page first before we start making any changes. So we'll just grab the index page and we'll preview that in our Firefox web browser. There we go. Now in this example, we will work on the menu top. When adding menu buttons, this process will apply to the menu top, the menu side, the footer left, or any of the menu components that use a simple bullet list. When you want to add a menu button, basically there's a two-step process. Figure out where you want your button to go. In this case, I want to add a button under Home and above Contact. So what I do is basically put my cursor where I want my new button to go, which is right there. Then I press Enter on my keyboard. I use the arrow key to nudge it back into place, and I type a name for my button. New button. Once I've added a name for my button, I'll then select that text with my mouse, right-click, and select Hyperlink. I'll scroll through the pages in my list and I'll select a page to link it to and click OK. There I go. Now I have a new button. First thing I'm going to do is save because my page isn't saved. I see the asterisk. We hit save. I go back to my Firefox browser. I hit the refresh button and I take a look at the changes. New button, contact, and the things I'm looking for are typos. Does it link to the right page? I wanted it to go to my sitemap. It does. Great. And the number of buttons I have, do they intrude upon any other elements on the page? Well, as it is, I'll be making changes to the rest of the menu bar at a later date anyways, but that's one or two of the things you'd want to look for when you're adding a new menu button or making a change to a menu button in your site. When all is good, you can now close down the menu top page if you're satisfied that it's working the way you expected it to work. If not, you can just simply do the Edit, Undo, or Control Z. Control Z, it's your friend. Just Control Z your way out of here until you're back to where you were when you started and try again.